Tension surrounding the All Progressive Congress APC governorship consensus arrangement in Gombe State have continued to generate reactions as members of the National Commercial Motorcycle Owners and Riders Association of Nigeria, Gombe State chapter, staged a solidarity walk in support of the party's consensus candidate. The development comes hours after BBC Hausa aired an interview with former Minister of Communications and Digital Economy, Professor Isa Ali Fantami, who faulted the APC consensus process in Gombe State and questioned the grassroots acceptability of the adopted candidate. In a show of support, members of the association converged at their state office and marched through key locations, including the Government House axis and the All Market, before proceeding to the residence of the APC consensus candidate to declare their backing. Speaking during the rally, the chairman of the National Commercial Motorcycle Owners and Riders Association of Nigeria, Gombe State Chapter, Alhaji Kabiru Jafaru, described Dr. Jamilu Isiaku Gomna as a grassroots politician who has consistently supported their members long before his current political ambition, pledging the union's support for all APC candidates.
Saddauna yana tare da 'yan ataba. 'Yan ataba naka ne mai girma sabon gwamna. Kuma muna fariya da abunda dan maje ya daga hannu yace kai ne sabo bin dan takarar jihar Gombe.
In his response, the APC governorship consensus candidate, Dr. Jamilu Isiaku Gomna, expressed appreciation for the show of solidarity, urging supporters and citizens yet to obtain their permanent voters card to do so, stressing that only registered voters can participate in the electoral process.
Abun alfahari na shine yau in ga yanda kuka zo dinnan ranan zabe, ina fata kowa yana da kati. Idan ma babu kati, a je a yi katin zabe, saboda shine wannan soyayya shine zai kasance gaskiya ranar zabe, a je a dangwala mana kuri'a.
Earlier in the day, BBC Hausa's online platform published an interview with Professor Isa Ali Pantani, where he criticized the legality of the APC consensus arrangement in Gombe State, citing a large violation of the Electoral Act. Fantani argued that out of the 3 aspirants who obtained nomination forms, only one was present during the consensus process, describing it as a departure from democratic principles.
Form misali na gwamna guda 3 ne a sani na aka mallaka. Iya kwaya ɗaya ne yake wurin, masu guda 2 ba sa wurin. Kuma ba wanda doka ta yadda ya zo table na consensus sai wanda ya mallaki form yake da expression of interest da ake sai da shi naira miliyan 10. To guda 3 ne, ɗaya form ɗin na wurin a lokacin ma ba a ba wani ba. Waɗanda suke da guda 2 mallakar kansu ba sa wurin idan aka samu consensus.
He further stated that opposition to the red primaries obtained reflect lack of grassroots popularity, insisting that his position is not targeted at individual but at what he described as injustice within the process.
Ai waɗanda suke tsoron direct primaries a Najeriya ba wai a jiha ɗaya ba, duk suna tsoro ne don san ba su da grassroots wajen talakawa. Amma duk wanda ya shirya ya san talaka na tare da shi da ke da katin jam'iyya, ai baya jin tsoro ya shiga.
When contacted for reaction over claim of limited grassroots popularity, the APC consensus candidate pointed to the visible support from youth group, saying his popularity is evident on the ground.
Well, you have eyes and you see. Thank you.
Meanwhile, other APC governorship aspirants, including Honorable Usman Bello Kumo, Dr. Aminu Umar Yuguda, and others, have reportedly congratulated the consensus candidate and pledged support ahead of the general elections. As the 2027 general election draw closer, political realignment, debates, and growing tensions continue to shape the political landscape across parties in Nigeria. From Gombe, Kamal Hamajo reporting for Nexus Channels.